How to download and install BlueStacks on your PC. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily download BlueStacks on your PC. BlueStacks is an Android emulator which allows you to use Android apps even on your PC. So let's go ahead and search for BlueStacks download on our web browser. And once you search for it, hit enter. Click on the first link that you see. Now you have an option to download BlueStacks, and if you want to download previous versions, you could do that as well. I'm just going to download the latest version for now. And once the installation file is downloaded, click on it to open it up. And then now you will have to set up your app. Click on yes, and then you'll be taken to another page where you have an option to install BlueStacks. You could also change its directory where it goes. I'm just going to leave it as it is. Tap on install now, tap on agree, and now BlueStacks will be downloaded on your PC. I'm just going to wait for it to download completely. And then finally, once the download is done, you should be able to use BlueStacks on your PC without any problem. That is it for this video, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.